Whether you're camping out in a remote camp area or cruising down into the Keys like I just did, sooner or later you're going to want a shower. If you live in a hot sunny area, think solar and get one of these jobbies. This is my review of an H2O sun shower. Basically, it's a plastic shower in a bag. Well, first thing you do is fill it up with water. Lay it on a surface in the sun. Temperature today is about 75, 76 degrees. I've got full sun. I am down here in Florida, so it's probably going to heat up pretty fast. Let's find out. Alright, let's have a little closer look at this thing. Basically, it's just a pretty thick vinyl bag with a hose and a little shower with the on-off switch on it. It does have a nifty little feature here. It has a thermometer on the bottom. Starts out at 92 degrees, I think. It's already up to 98. It's been out here for, roughly an hour, I think. So it's come up, almost 10 degrees. Yeah, a lot of people ask me how I get a shower when I'm out, cruising around, and this is what I use. I think it works pretty good. I could get a really good hot shower, more than enough water in there. I think it's about 2 gallons. And the nifty little thermometer, no idea how high up it goes. But as you can see, I just lay it up there on my solar panel. Give it 2-3 hours in the sun, and it's a done deal. Here's how the thing works. You just pop it down, boink, out comes the water, push it back up, and the water stops. It's that easy. So I'm going to lay it out here, let it warm up. You can see it's already up to 104 degrees. Just in the time that we were talking here, it's going up. Oh, check it out. We just got a flyover from the U.S. military. That's pretty cool. So in my opinion, this thing works great. Get one. It has a little thing on the top where you can tie it up to a tree limb or to a sail boom or something like that. But basically I just throw it up on top of my hatch, on the back hatch, and I sit down there in the cockpit, and as you can see, it's got an easy on-off switch. It works great.